In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in PowerPoint on both Mac and Windows, whether you're working late into the night or just prefer a darker aesthetic to ease your eyes. Enabling dark mode can be a game changer for your presentation experience. Let's dive right in and transform how your PowerPoint interface looks. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you type PowerPoint in the search bar located at the bottom of your screen on a Windows machine or the search field on a Mac, you'll see it pop up. Open it up just like you would any other program and you'll be good to go. After PowerPoint is open, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you want to work on. This could be a blank presentation or maybe an existing file you have on your computer. The dark mode will apply to the entire interface, making it easier to manage all your presentations in a dimmer setting. Now that you're in your presentation, look towards the top of your screen. You'll notice a series of tabs. Click on the one labeled File. On a Windows PC, this tab is typically located at the upper left corner of your screen, and it should be similar on a Mac. Clicking File takes you to a new backstage view designed for managing presentations. Next, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Find and click on Options. This choice is your gateway to the settings menu where you can customize how PowerPoint looks and behaves. Once inside Options, make sure you are in the General tab. This tab contains all sorts of settings and appearance preferences. It's like the control room of your PowerPoint application. As you scroll down through the general settings, keep an eye out for the section named Office Theme. This is where the magic happens. Click the drop down menu next to Office Theme, and you should see several options including colourful, dark grey, black, and maybe even a classic or white option. Choose dark grey or black for the optimal dark mode experience. Each choice gives you slightly different shades of a dark themed interface, so feel free to experiment and determine what feels best for your eyes. Finally, after selecting your preferred dark theme, locate the OK button, which might be at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on it to apply the changes. Your PowerPoint should now boast a sleek, dark interface, easy on the eyes and ready for presentations or late night editing sessions. And that's it, you've successfully turned on dark mode in PowerPoint. I hope this guide helps you in making your PowerPoint experience more comfortable and visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful day navigating your presentations in the dark mode style.